Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a vertical camera to OBS for vertical streaming. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once you have OBS running and your workspace is visible, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the Sources panel, which is essentially the control center for all the media elements you want to include in your stream. Navigate to this Sources section and look for the plus icon. Click on this plus icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various source options you can add to your streaming setup. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Video Capture Device. This option allows you to add any camera connected to your computer as a source in your OBS scene. After selecting Video Capture Device, a Properties window will pop up. Go ahead and click OK to proceed. This confirms that you want to add a new video capture device and opens up the configuration settings for your camera. Now you'll see the Properties window for your video capture device. At the top of this window, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Device. Click on this drop-down to view all the available cameras connected to your computer. From the list that appears, select your preferred webcam. This could be your built-in laptop camera, an external USB webcam, or any other camera device you have connected. Choosing the right camera here is important because this will be the video feed that appears in your vertical stream. Once you've selected your webcam, click OK to apply the settings and close the Properties window. Your camera feed will now appear in your OBS canvas. However, at this point, it's likely displaying in the standard horizontal format, which isn't what we need for vertical streaming. Here's where the magic happens. To transform your camera feed into a vertical format that fills your canvas properly, you'll need to crop it. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then click and drag the left edge of the camera source inward. You'll notice the video starts to crop from that side. Now do the same with the right edge, dragging it inward while still holding Alt. Keep adjusting both edges until your camera feed fills the vertical canvas perfectly. This cropping technique is essential because it removes the unnecessary horizontal space and focuses the frame on what matters most for vertical content, creating that professional vertical streaming look. And there you have it. You've successfully added and configured a vertical camera in OBS for vertical streaming. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.